Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If your TPMS light, this is the tire pressure monitor light, is on your Chevy Cruze, guys, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to know why the TPMS light is on. Quick introduction guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the video helpful and it will guide you in the right direction to fix your problems, okay, and save you money as well. Now this is a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should work for the whole first generation guys, even the second generation as well. I will go ahead, okay, I want to start the car and show you how the TPMS light will just stay on. No matter what you do, okay, it stays on, and we'll explain how to check, how to know if it's a bad sensor or what's the reason for the TPMS light, okay, to be on. So, starting the car now guys, I want you to check it out. Okay, let me turn the light off. Check it out, TPMS light, okay, just stays on. No matter what you do guys, okay, let me even zoom in. It's right there, super annoying. What I like guys about Chevy Cruze, usually, okay, when you start the car, okay, it may tell you, okay, why the TPMS light will be on. In our case, under the warnings, okay, right here, it's going to indicate, okay, give it just a second, let me turn the light on, it's going to indicate front left tire pressure low. Now, you keep adding tire pressure to the front tire, but that doesn't solve your problem. This is, guys, okay, another scenario, and we're going to discuss this one in a little bit. I will go ahead, okay, turn the car off now guys, and I'll explain what needs to be done. First, you don't need any computers or anything like that. What I would recommend, open the driver's door, check your label right here, and on that label you're going to notice how much the front and the rear tire needs to be. In our case they need to be set at 35 psi, 35 psi, front and rear tires. So manually guys, are there, check them. Okay, and that's what we'll be doing now. And if that doesn't fix the problem, stay with us guys, okay, and we're going to explain with the computer what else it could be, and if you have a bad sensor, how to know, okay, if the sensor is bad, if it's not showing the correct information and all that stuff. So remember, it's at front left. In our case guys, this is rear right. Why? Because somebody rotated the tires and they didn't rewarm the sensors. Now that could be fixed super easy, and we have the video on the channel. It's called how to rewarm TPMS sensors on Chevy Cruze guys. So if you have one, I'll definitely guys recommend to check it out. We'll be using that little compressor here. It's amazing guys, by DeWalt, super powerful and compact compressor. I'll connect. Okay, that thing is super strong. So we have the digital gauge meter and everything else. Remember, it's at 24. Okay, on this one now right here, we're going to add a little bit of air. It says 23.7. So we're going to make it guys 35. Okay, we're almost there. Just almost there guys. That's right there, 35. So I'm going to disconnect this so I don't lose my air. And I'll put the cap on. Now if you want to rewarm and see the procedure how to rewarm your TPMS sensors, okay, that will be on the channel as I said. Make sure guys you stay until the end. I'm going to connect the computer and show you guys, okay, how to check your TPMS system for codes and all that stuff as well. This is the computer that we'll be using right here. So let me just move these fuses out of the way, okay, because it's a big mess here at the shop guys, working on so many things at the same time. Now right here, what we'll do, I'm going to start the car now, and if you start the car, okay, you will notice that TPMS light turned off. Okay, so in our case it was just a low tire, but actually it was showing front left and it was rear right. As I said, we have the video on the channel that explains how to fix that. So car is running guys, and as I said, that computer guys is super powerful. You can pretty much access every computer in your car guys. You can read, delete codes guys. You can actually access live data. It's amazing, and it supports so many makes and models guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below guys. In our case, I'll do manual selection. You can do automatic if you want as well. In our case, I'll do manual, and we're going to click manual selection here. We have a 2015 Chevy Cruze. passenger car Chevy Cruze right here, and the engine is 1.8 2HO engine. If you don't know, we have the video on the channel that explains how to check all that. So it's loading now, guys. Okay, as you can see, it's working on it. It says other radio system 4 hours. We go to diagnostics, control unit, and now, guys, check out how many things you have here, guys. Those are all the different modules and computers in your car. So you have quite a few, right? Quite a few. Some may not relate to your vehicle, like low power control module. This is only for the diesel engine, but it's still, guys, you can still see everything that you have, guys, for the car. It will be right here. So if I scroll and go to body control module right here, guys, you can see a few things now. We'll see live data. Under live data you can see so many computers again. Check it out. And we're going to select tire pressure monitoring system. Okay, and actually let me go back. Okay, the first one we're going to select will be the one that relates to the sensors. Okay, and you can check the battery status if they're sending strong signal and all that stuff. Left front tire pressure signal quality, check it out, 100%. So that means that the battery in the sensors is good. Sometimes if the battery weakens, you may not get response, guys, and as a result your light may be on. So now this is, guys, it's connecting now to the whole system, and we can check the actual pressures. Okay, and this is in kPa. You can change it to PSI. I haven't been in the settings here, but you can see buzzer alarms, quite a few things, guys. That's left front tire pressure. Let me see. And you can even program a few things right here as well. So I'll go back. Okay, and I want to show you something now. If you scroll down, you can see you have left front tire pressure 231, left rear tire pressure 236, and then you have right front tire pressure sensor 214, and you can check the right rear tire as well. So you can check that the sensors are working. Otherwise, guys, you have a problem. You can check your sensor identification numbers, guys, and all that stuff. So that's super convenient, guys. Now if you have a bad sensor, it's going to display 0 here usually. Okay, and the one that we check the signal quality, it's going to show 0 as well. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys having that problem with Chevy Cruze. Please, guys, subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.